My name is Khurram Liaquat and I am a business professional.
And currently, I'm engaged as a business instructor at Beacon House College Program Multan, where I am taking care of both AS and A2. It has been amazing 4 years experience working with Beacon House, where I've been given an opportunity to work freely by the system and to bring the best.
I've got an experience of working in both public and private sector. I've been very lucky to start my career with one of the textile giants. Later, I have joined one of the international donor agency. On the completion of that project, I've got associated with another donor agencies with the name of USAID. They've been working in the power sector. We have been taking care of the two farms. One is Multan, the other one is Peshawar Electric Power Company. On the completion of that project, I have been taken up by Multan Electric Power Company as a team lead ERP. Then later I've joined Huawei as their consultant. Later I have registered myself as a sole proprietor and taking care of the operations of Company K as a prime consultant to Huawei Enterprise Pakistan for their operations in the power sector, as well as I am working as a consultant for Shenzhen Techrise China.
My professional teaching experience is based on more than a decade now. We have been teaching the students of MBA, MCOM, ACCA, CAT, BBA, A-levels, O-levels and business communication in both private and public institutions of our town.
The journey of my academic program starts from the certification of CAT from UK. I later completed my MBA, MPhil with the research work in marketing, and currently I am doing my PhD from Putra University of Malaysia. I have successfully passed my first semester of PhD. I have also completed my professional certifications in project management, strategic management, and the role of board of directors from Lahore University of Management Sciences, Lahore. I'm a proud member of a Beacon House family, especially on being a part of Beacon House College Program Multan. It's really been a pleasure to be a part of such a great team. Beacon House ensures that they produce quality. We as a team in campus ensuring every year that we nourish the global leaders. We ensure through our academic program and through our excellent quality of faculty, through our teaching methodology, that we produce the best out of best. During this unprecedented time of COVID-19, the way the professional team have taken up the challenge of online teaching is unmatchable. It's such a unique blend of beautiful campus galleries
And environment.
I'm extremely proud of being a part of an organization which has put countless efforts to ensure that students' learning is not interrupted.
This is what I teach my students every day.
Change and adapt to the new normal.